watched that last video and it was kind of dry, so went out and got myself some beer and thought I would show you some cool stuff. Here's an envelope. It was mailed to me. It's got a disc in it. My friend Dennis Waits from Johannesburg, South Africa. Sometime around 2007, he's the fella that I was hanging out with on Skype when I originally designed this CAD program, and he was a draftsman working for the mining industry in South Africa. He designed conveyor belts to help carry out the ore out of the mine. A little bit more history on FbCadCam. I went to the Philippines and was doing some CAD-CAM stuff with some kids out there, and they made a t-shirt for all of them, and I ended up getting one, bringing it back home to the States. So where did I leave off? I think it was, let's see, I was showing you, I was showing you these functions right here, the move, copy, rotate. Alright, so what do I have here? I just drew a house. Let me turn my draw lines off. Just turn snap off as well. Select this, and if I wanted to move it, then I could just go like that. And let me draw some lines to help keep things in perspective. Alright, I'll select it and move it. And if I wanted to copy it, now I got two of them. I'll just make several. Okay, there's several copies, but I'm going to press escape on the keyboard. And let's say I wanted to select all of these, and I wanted to rotate them. So rotate right from the middle of all of them. How's that? So here I can rotate them. And if I wanted to copy rotate them right from the middle, there's a whole bunch of them. And if I wanted to, I don't know what to do with that mess. Let's just delete it. I wanted to flip vertical. Okay, so let's draw that house again. Okay, let's flip vertical. So flipping vertical from the point where the mouse is at. So if I put the mouse above the house right here, it's going to flip it vertically, pivoting it from the center point of where that mouse pointer is at. And I can flip vertical again, putting it back down here, and I can flip horizontal. So you see I have the mouse positioned close to the edge of this box right here. So I was going to flip it horizontally to the right. And let's see, copy, flip vertical, and copy, flip horizontal. So if I wanted to, let's say copy, flip horizontal. There we go. So those are pretty self-explanatory. And you can copy, flip vertical at the same time. Let's let's see here, vertical, horizontal at the same time. So if I wanted to be up there you go. Alright, what other things do I have here? Zoom, pan, and view. Zoom in, what I'm doing with my mouse is I'm just using the mouse wheel to zoom in and zoom out. So if I move this mouse wheel like that and move it back, you can see how that zooms in and out. And if I click this button right here, that zooms in and zooms out. And pan is kind of cool. Let me deselect everything. I'm going to press escape on the keyboard. Okay, so pan is kind of cool. Now I can move everything inside the drawing, and I'm not zooming, just moving back and forth. So that's what the pan does. And view extents will put everything that I have in this drawing to the extents of the window, the drawing area, this area right here, the black area. So zoom extents, or view extents. So that's kind of handy when you have a rather elaborate drawing. Okay, save my views. Let's say I wanted to have just a view. Let me draw some detail. Let's say, for example, I have a window here. And if I had inside that window a couple four panes, and inside of pane number 1 I have some kind of shape in there. Okay, so if I wanted to save this view showing this window pane right here, so where did my views go here? Save view. Alright, and another view is, let's say I wanted to have a view of this one, this house over here. So I can save that view as well. Now let me zoom all the way out and everything. Now if I go click this button right here, first view, there's a view of the window. And next view, next save view. So I think that was kind of handy. Hold on a second. Alright, hold on. Let me find out what's going on with them.